In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bulk Edit in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Spending section from the main navigation menu. This area shows all of your recent transactions, categories, and spending activity. To make multiple changes at once, head over to your transaction list where all your purchases, bills, and transfers are displayed. Now, start selecting the transactions you want to edit by checking the boxes beside each one. You can choose several transactions that need the same update, such as changing categories, marking them as recurring, excluding them from budgets, or editing merchant labels. After selecting multiple entries, a Bulk Edit option will appear near the top of the transaction table. Click on Bulk Edit, and a menu of actions will open. From here, choose what you want to update across all selected transactions. For example, you can assign them all to one category, mark them as business expenses, or hide them from reports. Once you choose the action, confirm the changes, and click Save or Apply. Origin will instantly update every selected transaction at the same time, which saves you from editing each one manually and makes account cleanup much faster. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.